Hello dear Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your monthly reading for the month of March, which will include your career, love, money, success, everything. So let's start. Your cards are already out. Let me show you one by one. In the first week, you've got the Abyss and the Temperance card. Now here I see a connection with the past. Either it's your personal life or it's your professional life. I do see somebody from your past is coming back into your life. It can be an old job offer that is coming back again, and it can be an old ex or person you were once in touch with is coming back again. I do see that you might have to use your intuition and higher wisdom to make this decision, right? Whether to take up that job or not, whether to go back to that person or not. So the cards are relying completely on you based on your experience, based on what you want, if you want to reconcile or not, if you want to go back to that job or not, and then make a decision accordingly. Whatever decision you make will be your choice, and that will change your life path accordingly, right? What is good and bad for you right now, the cards are saying, are is up to you, is something that your intuition already knows, it's something that your higher wisdom already knows. So listen to your intuition in the month of March. Coming to your second week, you have got the Six of Spades and the Devil card. Now, see, I do see that you are a very kind and giving person, right? But the person that you're dealing with is toxic. It can be this very person that we are talking about. You are sort of surrounded with toxic energy. If you decide to go back, it can be that you face with the same toxic cycle and work environment and colleagues and bosses which you once left behind. So make this decision very carefully. If the person who's coming back into your personal life and who is saying that, I want to come back, are they changed? Is their behavior changed? If they were not giving you commitment, are they giving you commitment now? If they were womanizing or, doing all that stuff, have they stopped now? If they had any other bad habits, has it ended now? So ask yourself multiple questions before you move forward with a decision this month. This is going to be very crucial for you. This month is totally dependent upon how you take the decision and what kind of decision you take in your life. Okay, so in the third week, you've got the Five of Moons and the Hermit card. Yes, so I do see that some of you already know that you are going to make this decision by yourself. Nobody can help you. Even if you ask your friends around or watch tarot readings, ultimately the readings will say that it's up to you. You are nostalgic about something, you are going into hermit mode, which means you're asking questions to yourself. Whether should, should I not, whether I should do this or not. So yes, it's a good time to go within, to ask yourself multiple questions. Ask where you want to be in the future and accordingly take the next steps in your career. Ask what kind of a person do you want, what kind of a life do you see in the future, and then accordingly make the steps. I do see you going within and asking multiple questions and making those important decisions in your life in the month of March. So this month definitely is going to be very crucial for you. Okay, in the last week we've got the Six of Moons and the Chariot. Now again, this is a card of looking backwards, right? So if somebody is coming back into your life, especially if I talk about your personal life, if a reconciliation happens, which might happen depending upon what choice do you make, there will be quarrels again. There will be problems again because there are so many things that you guys haven't solved, right, amongst yourselves. So some things are still unresolved. Those old uh, things will again crop up. You will have to again analyze the situation. But whatever decision you make, whether that's your personal life or your professional life, I do see you moving one step ahead at a time, right? No matter what decision you make, whether you want to go back to the old job or to the old person or not, your life is moving forward. Reconciliation will happen. You will make new moves, better moves, no matter what decision you make. Okay, so this is a card of Chariot, which means moving forward. So your life is overall moving forward no matter what decision you make, but I will still ask you to be careful. Now this is also a card of travel. So I do see that some of you will be traveling either for work or for personal life. Either you are dealing with a person who is at a distance with you, or it's a job which is at a distance, right? So you have to travel a lot, or it is a traveling job, or the person you're taking back is might be at a distance with you in a different city or state, right? So either you are moving specially to go and meet them, or they are specially traveling to come and see you. So definitely some sort of reconciliation is happening for you. So yes, it is a very important, very crucial month for you, but nonetheless a good month, right? So if you weigh the pros and cons, if you make the decisions rightly after thinking, after analyzing everything, this can turn out very beautiful for you. So Aries, all the best for this month. If you have doubts, any sort of doubts in your personal life or professional life, and you would like to book a reading, you can do that by emailing me at astasharma842@gmail.com or even DMing me at the Moksha Tarot, okay, on my Instagram. So yes, please, if you resonated with this reading, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.